Good morning, everyone. Breakfast is ready, and today feels like a beautiful Saturday. Let us enjoy our morning together.
Good morning, Leo. Come in. It is nice to see you this morning. We are happy you came to visit us today.
Can I play with Ethan? I really want to try the new racing game today. It looks exciting and very fast.
This looks fun, Leo. But do not go too fast around the corners. You might lose control of your car.
Come on, car! Go faster! I can win this race if I stay focused and take this corner carefully. Yes! I won! That was amazing! Ethan, your car was really close behind mine. I almost thought you would beat me.
Again? Yes! One more game, Ethan. This time, I will try to win even faster. I really want another race.
You have been playing for quite a while, Leo. Please remember to take a break and come eat breakfast with everyone.
I know, Mom. I will come soon. Just let me finish this race first. I promise it will be very quick.
Just one more game. I promise I will stop when this race is finished. Then I will come to breakfast.
Okay, Leo. One more race. But after this one, we really should take a break and do something else. This turn is difficult, but I can do it. I just need to stay focused and keep my car steady. Ethan is ahead! No, I cannot let him win this time. I need to catch him before the finish.
Come on, just a little faster. I am almost there. I can still catch him if I make this turn correctly.
We are almost at the finish line. Leo, this race is really close. I think either one of us could win. What happened?
No! The screen stopped. I was almost at the finish line. Why did the game suddenly disappear?
The power is out. Do not worry, everyone. It will probably come back soon, so let us stay calm.
I know you are disappointed, Leo. But sometimes we have to stop and do something different for a little while.
Leo, I made this picture for our family. Would you like to see it? I worked on it this morning.
Wait, you drew me too? What are we doing in the picture, Lily? I did not know you included me.
We are having a picnic outside, Leo. Look, everyone is together under the big tree and having fun.
A real picnic sounds nice. Maybe we could do that today if everyone wants to go outside together. A picnic? That sounds fun. We could go outside and maybe find something interesting in the garden, too. Okay, let us go outside. I want to see what the garden looks like today and enjoy some fresh air. Wow, I forgot how big this garden is. There are so many trees and flowers here. It feels peaceful outside.
Leo, look at these footprints. They are small, and I do not think they belong to any of us.
They lead toward that old tree. Come on, Ethan. Let us see where the footprints disappear and find out why. The footprints stop here. That is strange. Where could they have gone? I cannot see anything around this tree. Ethan, look! There is a little green door hidden inside the tree. I have never seen it before. Should we open it? We came this far, so I think we should find out what is inside this secret door. It is dark inside, but I can see something. Come on, Ethan. Let us look carefully and stay together. Leo, look over there. There is an old wooden box. Maybe someone left it here a very long time ago. There is a lock on it. I wonder what is inside this old box. Maybe there is something special. Maybe there is a key nearby. Let us check the floor and the walls carefully before we give up. Ethan, I found something. Look at this little key. Maybe it opens the box.
Let us try it.
Okay, here we go. I really hope this key works. We might finally discover what is inside this box. It opened! Leo, look inside. There are things in here. I wonder who put them here. This little car is beautiful. Someone made it by hand. I wonder who it belonged to and why it was hidden. Dad, do you know this car? We found it inside the old box under the tree. It looks very old.
I remember this little car. My father made it for me when I was about your age. I never forgot it.
It was Monday morning. Alex woke up earlier than usual and slowly sat up in bed.
Where is my notebook? Alex looked under his pillow, under his bed, and inside his school bag.
I found it. But Alex had not practiced even once, so he looked at the story and felt very nervous.
Good morning, Alex. You look worried. Alex said, "Today is the school talent show."
I did not practice, Mom. Sarah smiled and said, "You can practice now. Start with one reading."
Yesterday, I went to the supermarket because... Oh, no! I forgot the next sentence!
Sarah laughed and said, "Sometimes mistakes make the best stories." Alex smiled, but he still felt nervous about school.
When Alex arrived at school, 2 students looked at him and laughed. He stopped and wondered, why are they laughing?
What is happening? Ben smiled and said, "Nothing." Alex asked, "Then why are you laughing?" Is there something on my face? Alex checked his shirt and hair. Ben said, "No, you look fine."
Mrs. Brown entered with a large box. She smiled and said, "Good morning, everyone. Today is our talent show."
Mrs. Brown said, "Remember, everyone, have fun." Then she looked at Alex, and he wondered why she smiled.
Mrs. Brown said, "Especially Alex." The whole classroom laughed, and Alex asked, "What? Why is everyone laughing?"
Ben, what is happening? Ben shook his head. I can't tell you. Alex looked even more confused. Please tell me. Ben looked toward Mrs. Brown and said, "You will find out soon. Just wait."
Alex could not concentrate. He kept hearing laughter and wondered if everyone at school knew a secret.
At lunch, Alex looked at Ben and asked, "Why is everyone laughing at me?" Ben became quiet. Ben said, "I don't think they are laughing at you." Alex pointed toward the students and said, "But they are!"
After lunch, everyone went to the school auditorium. Alex looked at the stage and felt his heart beating faster. The talent show began. Alex watched the first student walk onto the stage, and his nervous feeling became stronger.
One student sang a beautiful song. Everyone clapped, and Alex smiled, but he knew his turn would come soon.
Another student played the guitar. Alex looked at his notebook and quietly thought, I hope I can remember my story.
And now, Mrs. Brown announced the final student. She smiled and said, "Please welcome Alex Carter." And now, Mrs. Brown announced the final student. She smiled and said, "Please welcome Alex Carter."
Alex stood up slowly. His hands were shaking as he walked toward the stage, but he tried to stay calm.
Alex stood up slowly. His hands were shaking as he walked toward the stage, but he tried to stay calm.
Alex began his story. Then he noticed a small red button on the floor and wondered, where did that come from?
Alex touched his shirt. His eyes became wide when he realized one button was missing, and his face turned red.
The audience started laughing. Alex looked around and thought, oh no, everyone knows about my missing button.
Then Alex noticed something strange. The button was not from his shirt, and Ben was quietly moving behind the curtain.
Ben slowly stepped from behind the curtain. Alex stared at him and asked,
Ben, what are you doing with that camera?
Ben smiled and pointed toward the giant screen. Alex looked behind him and asked, "What is happening?"
The screen suddenly turned on. Alex saw himself on the screen, sitting at home, and whispered, "Oh no! What is this?"
On the screen, Alex looked at his toast and said, "I think this toast looks angry." His mother laughed.
On the screen, Alex looked at his toast and said, "I think this toast looks angry."
His mother laughed.
Video Alex said, "We are having a disagreement." The audience laughed loudly, while Alex covered his face and said, "This is terrible."
Next, the screen showed Alex riding his bicycle. He lost his balance, fell into a bush, and quickly stood up laughing.
Alex looked at Ben and finally laughed too. He realized the videos were embarrassing, but they were also funny memories.
Mrs. Brown walked onto the stage and smiled. She said, "Alex, there is one more video." Alex looked worried again.
The screen suddenly went dark. Alex looked at Ben and noticed his smile was gone. Something felt different.
Then a different video appeared. Alex saw himself helping another student, and he wondered why everyone had prepared this surprise.